citizens. Today at 8:49 a.m., we lost all contact with the research base on Monster Island. Mothra, Rodan, Zamwanga, Anglers, Varagon, Mana, Varan, Gorosaurus of Godzilla have all disappeared from the island. There are unconfirmed reports of Dengara is among the misplaced monsters. The only still contained on the island is Minla. Stay tuned to news networks as the story develops.
Монстр разум выиграли цель, процедура вам за пределами Москва, готовьте отсутствие в экстренной эвакуации. Несколько истребителей выиграли отправление на атаку с средства на неготовика, подъем обломков в Лукхайде. Когда разум получил пик Зимбая, ставка и создание говорит это на свой страх и риск.
Attentional citizens, we've heard reports that Barragan and Rosaurus have begun a brawl in Paris just outside the Eiffel Tower. Two crawled out from under the Arctic trio. Mothra has been rampaging throughout the industrial area in Beijing. She just had a head-on collision with a train, killing many people trying to evacuate the city before she arrived. To repeat, this is a list of all the monsters attacking the world.
Is still in Moscow. Inquirers has just swam to Sydney. Two monsters in Paris, Mothra in Beijing, Mando in Osaka, Varan in London, and Humongous Figure in Agra, India.
Bulletin. Rodan has arrived in Moscow creating a hurricane of massive proportions. The Kremlin has been destroyed. Meanwhile here in the UK, London has fallen victim to the monster Baron. The military has kept him just outside the city for the past hour, but the unbelievable monster glided overhead. Do not panic.
This is a red alert. You are advised to go to your nearest shelter area immediately. Find shelter. There is not time to leave the city. Your State Civil Defense Director has just issued the following instructions. Please remain calm. Every precaution will be taken for your protection. Keep your radio tuned to this place on the dial throughout the alert period for information. Telephone service to your home may be cut off to permit military and civil defense authorities to carry out vital operations. Do not attempt to join your family or your children if they are now separated. They will be cared for where they are. Obey your civil defense warden and find shelter now. Take shelter in your basement or in your nearest shelter area. If you can plug in your radio in the basement, take it with you. Use a portable radio set if you have one. Otherwise, turn up the volume of your radio so that you can hear it in the basement. Keep calm. Don't lose your head. If you are at work, obey your civil defense authorities. Go quickly and calmly to your designated shelter. If your children are at school, they are being directed to shelter by their teachers. If you are in an automobile, pull over to the curb and then go immediately to the nearest shelter area. Do not leave your car where it will block traffic. This station will continue to stay on the air throughout the alert period to bring you authentic information and official instructions. Stay tuned to 640 or 1240 kilocycles on your radio for official information. Refuse to listen to unauthorized rumors or broadcasts. This is your official civil defense broadcast.
This is a live message from the United Nations building. Godzilla has just arrived in the New York City Bay. Do not panic. Try to evacuate safely and calmly. Repeat, do not.